luck for that.
Good luck with that. Yeah.
You can't find it.
You can't find it, and you have to have an aluminum boat to get there.
Uh-huh.
Isn't this cool to you just come and crash through the weeds? There you go, bud. Now, is this let him take it for a second, or set the hook as soon as the...
it moves, yeah.
Oh!
Here's I'm gonna get this one. Okay, hold on a second. We're gonna have to do the dance here. There we go. Now. There we go. They got us all jumbled up.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, the big one's on this hook.
Let me help him with that one. Up on something.
Nope.
Hey, Pop's got the biggest fish so far. Congratulations, Pop.
Yay! Did you get that picture?
Careful with those spines, bud.
These are not, they'll still get you, and you can feel it. But they're not as bad. But the smaller they are, the more dangerous they are. The little bitty ones will go straight through your hand.
Ouchie.
Oop, there's one. Well, that's 3 for Preston and 2 for Pop, but if we're going by poundage, Pop's still ahead, bud. Tricked Preston again. Prest took his eye off the bobber and the fish took it down and got hung up. So what is that, like a rotten possum? Down in there.
Cheese. Fiber.
All right, Press. Good job, bud. Oh, he snagged you. But listen, you were way on top of it this time.
When they bite,
You have to do it immediately.
just do almost like jerk it, Preston, and then just lift up. You almost
Like try to lift him out of the water.
like if you don't even have to reel. If you can just lift them up and then take the slack out of it.
That was way too early.
That's okay. No, I think you did really good.
Too early than too late. Fishing and in life.
Good job, bud.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh,
No!
okay. Yeah, so you literally tried to lift him out of the water.
Oh, it got a stick.
All right. You're going to have to get back in and get that big one. Ooh, do it. Touch it to your tongue.
Ew, no.
Why?
I was just joking.
He said
Ew.
it's just cheese.
That's been in...
I'll give you $5 to eat a big wad of it.
Yeah, and I'll give you $5 too.
I'm good. That's not worth it.
I'll give you $5 to just put your tongue on it.
Oh, really?
Ugh, no, I won't. I can't even stand to watch it. Put your rod tip way down. And lift. There you go. You reeled again.
Oh my God.
Ooh, that's a bigger one.
Lift up on
one.
Yeah.